Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Galaxy SmartTag 2. I know this has been out for a little bit, and there's plenty of unboxings and videos on this on YouTube already, but I got this for free when I ordered the Galaxy S25 in addition to my Galaxy S25 Ultra here. So I figured I would just do an unboxing and we'd set it up here on my Galaxy S25 Ultra running One UI 7. Just maybe for people who haven't seen one of these. So in the box here we have the SmartTag 2, and we have a little what looks like a SIM eject tool. It probably is just a SIM eject tool, and what that's used for is for removing the battery, to change the battery. I don't know what kind of battery this uses. We can pop it open here and look in a second, but we'll take this tag out right here, and that activates the internal battery. Would be kind of cool if they made these rechargeable. You don't have to change the battery enough for them to really need to be rechargeable. I don't even know where you where you stick this. That's a speaker. Oh, it's right here on the top. So I guess you push in right there, and that somehow, I believe that is where it is. I don't see anywhere else for it to go, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, maybe not. I don't see anywhere else for that to go. Let's see here. Up here is a little diagram. Yep, so that is indeed where it is supposed to go. So we'll try it again. It's supposed to pop the bottom out. Let's try using the table for some force here. There we go. So it uses a standard CR2032 battery, so just a regular coin cell you can pick up pretty much anywhere. I don't know how long the battery lasts exactly. My AirTags usually last about a year before I have to change the battery, so I'm going to assume it's probably going to be somewhere around there. So we're going to hop into the Galaxy SmartThings app right here, and as you can see here, this pops up automatically. It did pop up automatically before we got that Play Store rating. So we're going to add a device and add a Samsung device. No. Okay, let's see, available device, SmartTag 2, there we go. Getting everything ready. So we're just going to allow the location information, connecting to your tag. Press this button in the center of the tag, registering my device. And one cool thing about this is it does have that button in here, which can also act as, let's see, can also act as like a kind of a remote. So you can set this up in routines, and you can do a single press, or I believe a double press, to do different actions. So let's see. And you can also change the ringtone. So you can make it play a sound, I believe. I think you can turn that off. You can turn that off just like that. So you can do automation. So you can do pressed, and you can run routines, change location mode, notify somebody, control devices. So if we go here, you can see some of my lights that show up here. And you can control these devices, which is pretty cool. So I may set this to turn on and off my bedroom lights. So we'll do bedroom lamp right here, and we'll have it turn on or turn off. So that's pretty cool that you can set that up to toggle it, because that means I can use this to turn on that light, and then I can set up the hold for something else, because I don't have to use that. I don't have to use that to to turn it off. So we're just going to call that bedroom light. It's already got that light icon right there. So we'll save that. And it looks like it's still saving right there. I don't know if there's any indication that it ran, but you can see here it says pressed. I have, let's see, my light. This doesn't always update right away sometimes, so we're not going to go based on that. But yep, there's the SmartTag 2, and you can use it, like I said, as a remote to control automations and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. You can keep this on a keychain. You know, you walk in your house, you can hit the button, turn your lights on. If you have a compatible like alarm or something, maybe you can use that to arm or disarm it. Bunch of different stuff you can do in there. So that is the Galaxy SmartTag 2. Set it up on my S25 Ultra here. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.